So we're gonna be replacing this vent with the windshield washer nozzle on a BMW X5. This thing is just held in by clips down below. So here, so we just push that one by one, and should be able to push it out. But you need to have like several of them at the same time so that you could push them out. So in this case, yeah, I need both hands to do that. So if you look at this, yep, I'm pushing it past the metal. So I got most of them out, and it's just gonna fall out. And putting it back, you just like snap it in, but just do it from the top. So I'm doing the other side. You basically don't want to do it during winter because this thing is brittle. And this one, since I'm replacing it, probably doesn't matter. So in this case, yeah, this one has like a bad nozzle. There's no heater anymore. So in order to remove this nozzle, you just have to have a large screwdriver, and you have to push in that clip over there. It's like a clip on this area that holds it in. You just like push it inwards, and when you push it inwards, you could push it down, and then it will release. So it will, yeah, you basically just push it down once you push that clip in, and it's gonna be hard to take it out. So this is how you replace the heated nozzle if yours is clogged or broken. And I think there's like another one too that you need to push. I think this one, yeah. Okay, so it's out. So this is the one you need to press in, and then it will pop out. Yeah, I think this one is a missing post too. So this is the one that I have that is working. It has like the key in here. Then you got the heated stuff. And I'm probably just gonna clean this area first. Okay, so we're gonna put it in. Gently push it in. So just need to break the tabs. Yep, there it goes. And so it goes to the other side. Okay, so I got both of them now. It's time to connect the wires here. Yeah, some of these have like a clip in here, but I'm gonna connect this one and then the hose over here. So this one goes over here, and this one over here is connected. Now I'm just gonna zip tie this one because this one is broken. Yeah, there should be like a clip in here. Yeah, it should clip on this hole over here. And I'm just gonna put a zip tie. So I got it all zip tied. And it should be ready to go. Yep.